This is what 2.2 million euros buys you in Las Colinas Golf Club, Alicante region, and in today's video I'm showing you this beautiful mansion. And before we will start, subscribe my Instagram down below in the description, subscribe the channel, and now let's dive into the video tour. So our today's video tour will start at this beautiful, exceptional house and one of its kind at Las Colinas Golf and Country Club in Alicante. So this is the street where you will come into the house. On the right side is the house, and I think this is the most special and exceptional house with the biggest plot here at Las Colinas Golf and Country Club. If you don't know what the Las Colinas is, it was one of the top golf courses in Spain. It was awarded as the best golf course in Spain 2022, 23 and 24. Has exceptional restaurant, gourmet, and the beautiful gardens around and high exclusive properties in this beautiful golf course. Located close to San Miguel de Salinas, we are like around 30 minutes away from the beach, and as well we are like very close to all amenities, 10 to 15 minutes away. The Las Colinas Golf and Country Club has its own restaurant, as I said already, and as well a supermarket and other small amenities for all who are living in this area. Okay, this house is offering you the most special plot possible in this urbanization. So if you know the area and if you know Las Colinas and you've been here once or twice, you know that all the houses around and all the villas, they have a very small plot. So you can build easily, or when it was not built the house yet, you could have built on this plot actually two separated houses, and this would any promoter or developer have done if they purchased this plot. Okay, in this case, this family, they bought the plot for themselves because they like this space. Okay, we have different gardens around the space. We have additional space for the to build actually a sauna or a second house for guests. We can also put a sauna there. We have a big, beautiful pool. We have parking space for up to 5 cars, and we have in total 6 bedrooms. 450 square meters of inside space, 1,400 square meters of plot, and obviously the house, friends, is built 3 meters higher, and they built it by purpose 3 meters higher because you have views from the balcony and from the plot over the whole Las Colinas Golf Club. Okay, it's exceptional. I mean, this is very special, this property, because at this time today, for 2.2 million euros, you will not find anything like this here in Las Colinas. And now I invite you to this tour, subscribe to this channel, and we go in now to this property. I invite you to follow me upstairs because this is like the main part of this house where actually all the action will gonna happen and all the meetings, all the parties, and your evenings will take place. Well, they have a dog, there's a dog, and we have an outside kitchen with barbecue. On the left side we have a dining area here, and we have as well a big infinity pool with views to the golf course. You can see the whole golf course from Las Colinas, and you can even see the nature park of San Miguel de Salinas on the right side. So it's a beautiful big pool, built as an infinity pool, and you can swim. It's a lot of space. The house itself looks like this. We have 3 floors in total. We have big windows, a lot of light is entering to this property. We have the main entry of this property is here on the left side. Here will be the main entry, and we have more space even here. Again, I'm explaining you that usually houses in this area and at this urbanization, they usually have only this space, okay? But they have additional space, a garden area behind there. We can put a guest house behind there. We can use this space, okay? We have an entry there. A lot of plants, banana trees, and palm trees. It's a beautifully done, and as they're living here inside permanently, they are taking care of this house at all time. And they have gardeners, they have a pool guy, and everyone who is taking care of this property. Okay, I invite you now to go inside this property because we have in total 3 floors, 460 square meters. We have a lot of space inside. You will be amazed what kind of square meter size we have, and as well you will see what kind of light is entering to this property, and it's very bright. So in this case now we are entering through the terrace, but as I showed you before in this video, we have the main entry is over there. So here's the exit to the terrace, and this will be your living room. Look at the furnitures. The furniture and design of this interior is looking modern and aristocratic. As you can see, we have very interesting furniture. We have a chimney there. You can probably put the television on this wall if you want to, but everything was designed and done for them. So it's not a developer who built this and sold it to them. They bought the plot, they built this house, they put it 3 meters higher, and everything what they installed for themselves. The kitchen as well, look, fully furnished. We have a coffee machine implemented into this kitchen. We have oven, we have all, everything from high quality standards, and the kitchen as well, very beautiful. Big lamp, views to the golf course, cooking from this island, you can talk to your people, entertaining between each other. So it's an exceptional design, and it's how it should be. You can see your family members on the pool, you can see how they're outside, you're cooking and you're entertaining in between each other. It's a very important feature to have when you're buying or building a house, that you're all connected in between one space. Okay, let's now go to the other part. We have here the guest bathroom. The upper floor is only designed for the main bedroom. So we're gonna check the main bedroom out for now. And we have here another room. This room is designed actually as an office space, so we can see the palm trees, see the golf course, big windows, office space right now. And let's go upstairs to the main bedroom, because the whole floor upstairs is designed just for the main bedroom. Follow me. Rarely I've seen, and actually here in the Costa Blanca, in Marbella, yes, we see. And by the way, if you're interested in properties in Marbella for this kind of price, for around 2.2 million euros, then follow Abarzo. It's our other brand for luxury real estate in Marbella, Costa del Sol. So down below you'll find the description for our luxury brand in Marbella. Okay, this floor is only designed for the main bedroom. We have the entry bathroom there, with a bathtub. We have some storage space over there. We have glass separating the space in between the entry and as well the bedroom space. We have big windows on the right side. We have walk-in wardrobe here, and the main bedroom with exit to the terrace over here. Again, aristocratic furnitures, and look at this terrace. Again, because the house is higher 3 meters, we have these beautiful views. Friends, we have views to the whole Las Colinas golf course. We see it completely. Well, there are only a few houses actually which are seeing the Las Colinas completely as like this. Okay, so again, it's exceptional. Like it's very special. The property is special because we have so much space outside. We have such a big plot designed for themselves, so everything was built to live here permanently. And now we're gonna teleport down below into the other bedrooms, and I'm gonna show you the rest. Follow me. We are now in the backyard of this property. So on the other side we have the entry, the main entry, and this is the backyard of this property. We have here garden, palm trees, and additional space over there which goes all around the house. And even we have another level from this plot. You can go to the staircase down below to another level, and there are even more palm trees. So the plot is big. It's 1,400 square meters of plot, and in Las Colinas you will never even be able to buy so many square meters of plot. There, they have some basketball there for the kids, but if you want, you can actually build a sauna here or an additional guest house on this space here, and there you will have a lot of privacy because you can leave from the bedrooms directly here to the sauna and go back inside. We have a lot of garden, a lot of trees and green. It's beautiful, okay? And okay, as I said, we have more bedrooms here. We have like 5 more bedrooms which can be used as bedrooms over here, and we have another living area, okay? So these windows, each window is 1 bedroom, okay? So we have gym here as well, and laundry space, some additional storage space, and all that we have in this space. So let's I'll show you first the fitness. So this is the gym. You can design it, I don't know, if you want here a bedroom, you can put it, but currently it's a gym. Used as a gym space, you can make it as well. Okay, now follow me, we're gonna take a look at the other spaces. Leaving the fitness area, we have here additional bathroom. So don't see actually all the things that are a little bit, it's not perfect like a new development, because the owners actually are living here, okay? So we have different doors, we have a laundry here, we have a storage space here, we have a bedroom here on the other side, so kids are living here permanently. The garage is over there, and even another bedroom is here on the side. But anyway, I don't dive into the bedrooms, I want to show you this. Follow me. And this is, in my opinion, another space which you can use additionally as a party room or as a home cinema. You can put table tennis here, but again, look at this furniture, aristocratic style. You see it, that people are living here inside permanently. We have air conditioning by conductor as well, so you can you have a panel control to control the air conditioning here. So this is a space additionally you have with lights, daylight entering here. So additional living area here down below in the, let's say, I can't say basement, okay? It's not basement, because you have natural light entering, and you have outside, you can go outside to the sauna area. And that was the video tour for this beautiful mansion for 2.2 million euros, located in Las Colinas Golf and Country Club, with one of the most and biggest plots here at this golf course. And if you're interested in buying and purchasing such a property here at this beautiful place, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, you like this video, and down below in the description you'll find my phone number. Contact me through WhatsApp and I'll be visiting this property together with you. See you next time in sunny Spain.